Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make guacamole from avocado. To start, choosing ripe avocados is key for that perfect creamy texture and rich flavor. You'll also need fresh lime juice, finely chopped cilantro, diced red onion, and a pinch of salt. For those who enjoy a little heat, a jalapeno is a fantastic addition. Once your avocados are ready, carefully halve them, remove the large pit, and scoop the vibrant green flesh into a mixing bowl. Now, grab a fork or a potato masher and mash the avocado to your desired consistency, whether you prefer it chunky or silky smooth. Then, gently fold in the fresh lime juice, cilantro, and onion. The next crucial step is seasoning. Add salt to taste, starting with about 1/4 of a teaspoon and adjusting until it's just right for you. If you're adding jalapeno, now's the time to stir it in for that extra zing. Serve your freshly made guacamole immediately with crispy tortilla chips or as a delicious side dish. For the best guacamole, always prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients. They truly make all the difference. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is rare, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent browning. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your homemade guacamole.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.